morning, everybody. It's prom day. Today is Friday. It is currently 7 a.m. and I have to go to school today. They did make us go to school on prom day, which kind of sucks, but it's an early release day, so we're gonna get out at 11:30 today and then go get ready for prom. I'm so freaking excited. Yeah, but I have to get ready for school. I just wanted to make an intro for this video because I've been forgetting to make intros lately. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go get ready for school and I'm just gonna be vlogging the whole day. It's gonna be like a get ready with me. It's gonna be a vlog. It's just gonna be everything. I just want to make sure that I like capture every single moment from today. Today's like my first prom because I'm a junior. Yeah, I'm literally so excited. It was like one of those nights where like I couldn't sleep because I was just like thinking of how excited I am to like get ready and everything. Got some kombucha, my water, book bag. Today's gonna be a really good day, I can feel it. The weather is like really good. It's been like really cold here lately and like for some reason today it's like a lot warmer and it's been raining oh, I need sunglasses. It's been raining like so much every single day and today it's not raining. So like everything is just making me really happy right now. And I get to be with my two favorite people ever and I'm just so excited. Yay! Good morning, people.
Okay, so today is gonna be an awesome day. Okay, so yeah, it's gonna look beautiful, and then I'm gonna look okay. We'll see. Okay. Oh, she bad. No.
It's prom! It is prom day! Elizabeth brought her stuff in my car. We have her dressed and everything. We got out early. I got out at like 11:15. So we're skirting out. We're headed to the dry bar. Yeah! To go get our hair done.
I'm so excited.
This is gonna be my first time at the dry bar, so I'm so excited.
I know.
Hair is done. It feels so good outside. Her hair looks so good. Look at this. I was so scared.
We were terrified.
Dude, it looks
she put
so
a huge
good.
bump in it, and we were like, "Oh my god, is she about to make you look like Southern Belle?" Like,
I just did some bouncy curls. They're obviously gonna fall out, so they're not gonna be like this flambunctious.
Yeah.
I made a prom 2019 playlist.
Bust down, Tatiana, bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down, beat it up, and so that's it.
Guess where we are. That was really good.
dancing goats like a week, and I honestly
same. I haven't had it in a week
cry.
too. I feel like not myself.
Hey guys, it's Elizabeth. Yasmine spilled her coffee on my Align leggings, and she is running into Dancing Goats right now to get me a napkin. And all I have to say is that get you a friend like Yasmine who will literally sprint across a parking lot full of cars, risking her life just so she can make sure that your Aligns stay clean and fresh. I even care. Look at her. Look at her. Look at this, honey. Oh my god. Oh my god, the A2.
I'm sorry. The Aligns. No, here's soak in the water first. Oh my god.
I filmed you.
Everyone was like, by the time you get there, there's not gonna be no water. I said, I'm so sorry.
That was a traumatic experience.
It was really traumatic. We got our coffee now. Our hair is done. Now we are headed to go pick up our boutonniere. Sorry, I'm like fixing my bra. Now
She was like, boutonniere.
Elizabeth's mom ordered us some boutonnieres for our dates.
You know
so
she did.
We are headed to Elizabeth's house because it's on the way back to my house.
And then game on.
Game on.
Fish on! You know when they catch fish on like Australian fishing shows?
Hands in the air like we don't care. Remember only God can judge us. Forget the haters, cause somebody loves you. Turned up, yeah, getting turned up, yeah. We can't stop, won't stop.
Just got our boutonnieres.
Hey! I don't even even know what a boutonniere is.
Yeah, I don't really know either. All right, we got the boutonnieres. Now we're headed back to my house so we can get ready.
Yeah!
Just got home and my mom made us this array of snacks.
I'm so excited. It looks
so
so
excited.
good.
She laid us out some robes and masks so that we can get ready in cute little robes. Oh my god. I wonder what's in here, Elizabeth. Open it up.
Oh my god!
So I always wear this necklace if you guys haven't noticed. So I got her the same one as me. Now we're gonna be matching. The dresses, we are in our robes. It's time to get ready.
Cause of sweaty bodies everywhere. Hands in the air like we don't care. Cause we came to have so much fun now. Somebody here might get some now. If you're not ready to go home,
Taylor is here. Woo! Look at his new fresh cut.
can I get a hell no? Cause we gonna go all night till we see the sunlight. All
Dresses are on. Babe, oh my god! Yes! This is the dress, guys.
Oh my gosh!
Yes,
You're so gorgeous! God, look!
Let's do this. Taylor's getting his on. Elizabeth's handling this stuff for me. She's just
Like a rebel moment. I don't know how to
rebel
do
moment. Boutonnieres and the corsage is about to head out. We're heading out. I'm so sick. I know my voice sounds like crap. You look so beautiful. Stunning. Listen up the roof. I got bags in the coop.
I'm drinking champagne, when they did my family go. Them niggas trying to spin.
Came for a show in my Sachi shirt, Birkin bag.
And it didn't take forever to find me. So loving it is.
Oh,
You don't have to stick it in the hole.
What do I do?
Look.
yay.
And then all four of y'all together.
Okay, Uber time.
It's hard to up in this bitch right
Cocaine, more money make more run. Nose right, just get to my Louis with the pack in the cat. Get out, 100 bricks on the road, take a couple routes. What up? What up? Hey, what up? What up? Hey, what up? What up? Hey, hey, what up? What up? Hey, hey, what up? What up? Man, what's that junk? Hey, what up? What up? What up? Hey.
Tonight, hey, 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 tonight, hey, 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 soul sister, ain't that Mr. on the radio, stereo. I can't wait till I get you on the floor, good looking. Hey, going hot, so hot, just like an oven. And I'll burn myself, I just had to touch it.
I'm so full. I'm seriously considering just going to sleep right now. And we still have prom after this. We haven't even gone to prom yet. It's 8:39. Prom ends at 11.
I get those goosebumps every time. I need
Keys, set my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as you can go, then you got
just like that, prom's over. Yay, prom complete. The after prom fit. Yes. You know we're styling after prom. Then we came back to Elizabeth and changed, and now we are going to our friend Anderson's house having a small party. So we're gonna go hang out, be social. I am ready to eat some food. Oh yeah, you got for me and that I know. Yeah. Elizabeth! Oh my god. I hit the jackpot. Oh, you went there too?
Hey guys, so this is the after party. So yeah, this is what's going on. Hey guys, welcome to the vlog.